Good morning, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I just wanted to show you what I'm up to and what I'm working on today. So I have these images and they're only printed on one side because I'm going to do something with it, and I'll walk you through it real fast and then I'll show you a complete project in a few days. So these papers are from Fabi Art Studios on Etsy. And what I'm showing you is the floral furniture paper. And then, so let's just go through it. Let me show you what I'm going to do first, and then we'll go through it. So I have pink from Amazon file folders, and I took one of each, the top tab, the middle tab, and the bottom tab, and I cut them to 8 inches because this is 8 inches, and I'm only going to need to trim it a little bit, and I'm going to make some kind of folio with this as a trim, and I'm going to sew it individually here or something so that I can just flip through it. I haven't figured it out yet. I'm working on it. I probably could go to YouTube and find what I'm looking for in my head, but I know what I want in my head, so I'll figure it out. I'll make a tutorial too if it turns out nice. Anyway, so this is the papers. Let's go through it. It is very shabby vintage furniture. I love it. And it was on sale. I don't remember how much. And I don't remember how many pages, so we'll count while we're doing it. So that's 2 pages. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. So if I were you guys, I would go check them out. My link will be down below, and I think that I'm addicted to buying paper. You should see behind me, and I'm addicted to buying images. But at least I have an HP printer, and I get a monthly subscription of ink when I run out. If I don't go over 300 prints a month for $9.99, I can print, and then if I go over, it starts to cost $15. But so I can print 300 sheets for $9.99 a month on ink, but make sure you have an HP printer so that you can work on that. Also, because it's housing, I went and she has French cafe paper, and I'm going to put one of these of the 3 and have it in the front of this. This is going to be in the front of it, and then inside is going to be a house. So that's going to be the front. I don't know which one. You could write and tell me which one you like. I think it's going to be this one. I like all the pink flowers, and it pops. And you get quite a few of these. I only printed 3, and I think I have 8 to 12. I don't remember how many came in that. But when she had such a great sale, I went ahead and bought quite a few items. So yeah, so all the links will be down below, and I hope you enjoyed what I'm up to. Have a blessed day.